Hey you all, it's Cindee. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Friday with Friends. I'd like to thank Lance of Praying Together with Lance Travis for my introduction, you precious, precious man. So what I'm going to do tonight is, it's been such a hectic week, and then we also have our Christmas in July starting tomorrow, 2022, and my fella Keith made me a split cup on his 3D printer. And I've been dying to use it, and so I think I'll take this opportunity to use it tonight. And what I'm going to use is all Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints, and also I'm going to pour them into a petal of gold. I believe I will start with phthalo blue over here. Let me see. I have 6 chambers, so I think I'm just going to fill each chamber up with a different color. Canvas is a 16 by 20 Arteza canvas. So that, shoot. That was the phthalo blue, and then this is violet. And next to the violet, I'm going to put turquoise. So there's going to be a little of each color in the next chamber, I foresee. I'll put a little white. So there's going to be a little paint in the next chamber, in the previous chamber. Goodness gracious. I did it again. Oh, damn it. I'm Britney Spears here. And this is metallic white. And then next to it, I will just put the orange. No, not too many fancy named colors here. And then next to the orange, I'm going to go red. And that's a humdinger. Okay, so I'm going to pour this cup into a puddle of gold. And I'm going to turn on some music, and I'll see you guys in the end for my final analogy.
Look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. Fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. Pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly. Some of the time I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. And now I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again. 'Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for
Thank you for being here with me. I really appreciate it. It was such a week. My goodness, I lost my footage for the Christmas in July and had to go search for it, and that was a big mess. And so then what I had planned for tonight just wasn't going to work. So I pulled out those ready pour paints by Artist Loft and did my ring pour, and then I noticed it was just too thin. It wasn't gonna keep those rings. So I decided, well, I'll stretch it out and just see what happens. And I started getting these gold cells popping up everywhere. And I was kind of like, yay. I was remembering Camille Amoyet and her doing those pearl pours with the ready mix pouring paint. Goodness, somebody help that puppy. So I went with it, and I thought, well, maybe it'll be good for a background. And as you could see in my video, they just were popping up everywhere, and it really was reminding me of the Fireflies back in Tennessee. Really miss them. Such beautiful nights. I hope you guys started out with Tiffany of Tiffany Remijn Art, and then went to Lance of Pouring Together with Lance Travis. And I hope you made it to me. And after me, I'm going to send you guys on to Janet of, what is it? Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. Paybacks, Janet. And then after her, you're going to finish off with our beautiful Donna. I know all of these are great, and I'm so glad to be here with you. So I'm going to wish you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. And, you know, if you have tears, I really hope they're happy. Till next time, love y'all. Bye-bye.